Hello everyone, today we will be walking through the process of installing Docker Desktop. First, navigate to the Docker website at www.docker.com. Click on the Download Docker Desktop button at the top of the page. Choose the correct version for your operating system, either Docker for Windows or Docker for Mac or Docker for Linux. After clicking, your download will start automatically. Wait for the download to complete. Once it's done, locate the downloaded installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click on it. This will launch the Docker Desktop installer. During the process, you may be prompted to authorize the installer with your system password. Follow the instructions in the installation wizard. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click on the Install button. The installer will do its magic now. It may take a few minutes to install all components. Once it's done, you'll be asked to restart your computer. After the reboot, you can find Docker Desktop in your Applications folder. Launch the app to start Docker Desktop. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Docker Desktop on your machine. It's now ready for use. Thank you for watching. Happy docking!